The 2024 Hyundai Venue combines generous space and good features at a value. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Hyundai Venue? The 2024 Hyundai Venue's boxy hatchback shape offers respectable value. Small crossovers like Nissan's Kicks and Honda's HR-V are competitors, weighing its worth in relation to the cost. The 2024 Hyundai Venue's roomy cabin and competitive warranty help it receive a TCC rating of 5.8 out of 10. What's new for the 2024 Hyundai Venue? The features list for this year's Venue has only been slightly altered to accommodate more cabin enhancements, including second-row USB ports, push-button start, and keyless entry. The Venue is a squat, boxy car with a charming exterior style that looks best in vivid colors and a practical yet lively interior. It's a straightforward vehicle with minimal detailing. The base SE, mid-range SEL, and top-tier limited versions of the Venue remain unchanged and are all equipped with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and CVT. All-wheel drive is required. The performance is merely passable overall, but the Venue has a lively vibe throughout the city. Even while it is not as efficient as the most efficient small cars, the EPA's combined rating of 31 miles per gallon is still good. The finest feature of the Venue is its roomy interior, which can accommodate adults in both rows and has significant cargo space. You won't be able to fit 3 people on the back bench, though. Hyundai has standard driver assistance technology. It receives a top safety pick certification from the IIHS, but only 4 stars from the NHTSA. How much does the 2024 Hyundai Venue cost? We anticipate that prices in 2024 will be largely unchanged. This means that the base Venue SE will cost you $21,000 and change, but the SEL, which adds a sunroof, a leather-trimmed steering wheel, 17-inch alloy wheels, and more safety technology, will set you back an additional $2,000 or so. 2024 Hyundai Venue styling. From some perspectives, the Hyundai Venue looks like a squat crossover, while from other ones, it seems like a tall hatchback. Overall, it seems like a likable car, despite the unpainted trim and blunt front giving it an unwelcome hint of tough SUV-ness. The style score is a 6. The Venue's sophisticated wheeled designs and intricate taillights enhance the overall appearance, while the optional contrasting roof heightens the attention to detail. The cabin's intriguing surface textures help elevate the cheap materials, making it simple but not uninteresting. 2024 Hyundai Venue performance. This Hyundai is definitely most comfortable on city streets. Is the Hyundai Venue 4WD? Every 2024 Venue is front-wheel drive. How fast is the Hyundai Venue? The Hyundai Venue accelerates slowly thanks to its 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine's meager 121 horsepower and a lethargic CVT. Here, it's a 3. Nevertheless, despite its short wheelbase and straightforward suspension, the Venue handles nimbly on city streets extremely well. The cabin is filled with traffic noise from highway driving. 2024 Hyundai Venue comfort and quality. The Hyundai Venue from 2024 has a large volume for its compact size. The Venue's tiny exterior, measuring just 159 inches from nose to tail, belies its roomy inside. It receives a 7, with bonus points for its excellent load capacity and cozy front seats. Fabric upholstery is standard on the Venue, while synthetic leather and denim are combined on the limited trim. Some test drivers wish there was more thigh padding, but the majority of us thought the front seats were supportive and comfy. Taller drivers can easily fit into the Venue thanks to its tall roof, but rear passengers will need to duck in order to get in. Though the bench could use more cushioning, the rear row provides 34.3 inches of legroom, and the seatback folds down to create a remarkable maximum load area of 32.0 cubic feet, which is nearly 19 cubic feet. For a low-cost car, the general quality and fit of our test cars is impressive. 2024 Hyundai Venue safety. Mixed results from crash testing complicate the Venue's safety story. The NHTSA and the IIHS don't agree. With the optional LED headlights, it receives an IIHS top safety pick rating, however, the NHTSA gives it an overall 4-star rating. That translates to a TCC rating of 7, taking into account the Venue's excellent external vision and built-in automated emergency braking. Active lane control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic high-beam headlights are available on the top-tier Venue trims. 2024 Hyundai Venue features. When it comes to the 2024 Venue, Hyundai provides an outstanding value. The 2024 Hyundai Venue SE is a vehicle that starts at a price that is slightly higher than $20,000 and offers a lot to the table. A touchscreen measuring 8.0 inches, capabilities like as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and power features are included as standard equipment. With the 5-year per 60,000-mile guarantee, Hyundai provides periodic maintenance for a period of 3 years or when the vehicle has traveled 36,000 miles. Therefore, the total score for the TCC is an 8. Which Hyundai Venue should I buy? It is the Venue SEL that offers the best bargain, as it comes with additional features such as automatic climate control, a power sunroof, blind spot monitors, and alloy wheels, which cost almost $2,000 extra. To what extent does a Hyundai Venue come fully loaded? For approximately $24,000, the Venue Limited comes with additional features such as navigation, keyless start, heated front seats, and external LED lighting. 2024 Hyundai Venue fuel economy. The Venue is reasonably frugal but falls short of certain rivals. Even if the 2024 Hyundai Venue is quite economical, there are other compact cars that are more fuel efficient. Its EPA estimate of 29 miles per gallon in the city, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, and 31 miles per gallon combined is sufficient for a TCC rating of 4. Unlike other rivals as well as some other Hyundai vehicles, the Venue is not available with a hybrid drivetrain. Thanks for watching.